What's up, Screen Print World? I'm Jerome with Arrogant Printing, and today we'll be talking about the Baselayr exposure unit. So for me, this is a huge upgrade. This unit has LED lights versus light bulbs because I had a do-it-yourself kit. This unit also has a lid to help compress down. I'm coming from a unit where you had to put on weight to hold down your image and get the right exposure. But my favorite part about this unit, it has a timer. Now I could sit here and brag about my new unit and its new specs all day long and say how it's so much better than my old do-it-yourselfer, but I'm not. Instead, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a tester. I've only had this maybe a week. I've yet to actually use this, so here's a good opportunity. So, using this for placement, that way I know exactly where to put my film positive. And let me get a screen. Once that's where I need that to be, according to my platen, I take my screen and put my screen where it says my clamp should be. Put that down. Okay. Now that I've got my film positive on my screen, take my screen, this piece of cardboard, clamp it down. Timer's already set. All I've got to do, press that and play the waiting game. Now, one thing that I recommend is that you use an exposure calculator. For this purpose, I did not, but my exposure looks pretty good here. And here's a closer look. This is on a 305 mesh, and you can see it retained these details of dots pretty well. Based on what I just seen, this is gonna make my life a lot easier.